CEC हांवें काही दिसा पयलीं लेटर बरयल्लें. म्हजे कडेन खूब डेलिगेशन्स आयलीं and they wanted me to write letter to them also bringing all the facts to their notice. And then I had also written them a letter addressing all the apprehensions, doubts in the minds of the people of Goa with respect to these linear projects and also import of coal. So in that connection, since they had come, I decided to meet them. So myself and my two colleagues were also there. Met them. We briefed them about all the factual position today, what is there. They also have visited most of the area. They have visited Malland, they have visited Port Trust and all that. Mr. Jaikishan knows lots of things about Goa because he has served in Goa. So that's what he said. He will also discuss with many of the people.
त्यांचे कसे कितें रिएक्शन
तशें रिएक्शन तर दाखोवपाचें ना. सुप्रीम कोर्ट appointed central empowered committee. They cannot express their opinion, but they will listen to it.
थँक्यू सर